Webcon BPS Online Training. What is Webcon BPS and how can it streamline business processes? Webcon BPS, Business Process Suite, is a low-code business process automation platform designed to help organizations streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and digitize processes. It enables businesses to create, manage, and automate workflows without extensive coding, making it ideal for companies seeking to optimize operations quickly. Key features of Webcon BPS. Low-code development allows users to design workflows and applications with minimal coding effort. One data model and instant change trademark symbol technology ensures seamless updates and modifications without disrupting ongoing processes. Workflow automation automates repetitive tasks, approvals, and business rules. Integration capabilities connects with Microsoft 365, SharePoint, SAP, Dynamics 365, and other enterprise systems. Advanced form and document management enables document handling, digital signatures, and compliance tracking. AI and RPA integration supports AI-powered decision-making and robotic process automation. Real-time reporting and analytics provides insights into process efficiency and performance. Mobile accessibility offers cross-device compatibility for remote approvals and task management. How Webcon BPS streamlines business processes. Enhances collaboration, facilitates better communication between departments. Reduces manual work, automates repetitive tasks, freeing up employees for strategic work. Ensures compliance, tracks process adherence to regulatory requirements. Speeds up approvals, reduces turnaround times with automated decision-making workflows. Improves visibility, offers real-time monitoring and reporting for better decision-making. How to design and automate workflows in Webcon BPS. Designing and automating workflows in Webcon BPS involves a structured approach using the platform's low-code, no-code capabilities. Here's how you can achieve this effectively. 1. Understanding Webcon BPS workflows. Webcon BPS, Business Process Suite, is a workflow automation and business process management platform that enables organizations to design, deploy, and optimize workflows. It provides drag-and-drop workflow modeling, form designer for UI customization, integration with external systems, ERP, CRM, SharePoint, etc. Process automation with rules, actions, and scripts. 2 steps to design and automate workflows in Webcon BPS. Step 1. Define the business process. Identify the key steps in the process. Determine the roles involved, who initiates, reviews, and approves. Define the conditions, rules, and exceptions. Step 2. Use the Workflow Designer. Open Webcon BPS Designer Studio. Create a new workflow process. Use the drag-and-drop interface to design the flow. Start event entry point of the process. Actions and tasks define manual automated tasks. Decision points conditions for branching. End event completion of the workflow. Step 3. Configure form layouts. Use the form designer to customize how data is entered and displayed. Add dynamic elements like fields, drop-downs, tables, and buttons. Set field visibility and validation rules. Step 4. Automate actions and business logic. Use business rules to automate decisions. Configure actions such as sending emails, updating database records, integrating with external APIs, generating reports documents. What are the key features of Webcon BPS low-code development? Webcon BPS, Business Process Suite, is a powerful low-code platform designed for process automation and digital transformation. Here are its key features. 1. Low-code and no-code development. Drag-and-drop interface for building applications. Visual process modeling with BPMN-based workflows. No need for extensive coding, making development accessible to business users. 2. Rapid application development. Pre-built templates and reusable components. Instant changes with Instant Change trademark symbol technology, allowing real-time modifications. Quick prototyping and deployment. 3. Process automation and workflow management. Supports complex workflows with conditional logic and parallel tasks. Integration of document management, approvals, and notifications. SLA tracking and escalation rules. 4. AI-powered document management. Intelligent OCR, optical character recognition, for document scanning. AI-based categorization and data extraction. Automated document workflows. 5. Seamless integration. Connects with Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Power BI, and Teams. REST API and webhooks for external system connectivity. Built-in connectors for databases, ERP, and CRM solutions. 6. Advanced reporting and analytics. Real-time dashboards and customizable reports. Integration with BI tools for in-depth insights. KPI tracking and business intelligence integration. 7. Security and compliance. Role-based access control, RBAC. GDPR and enterprise-grade compliance support. Secure data encryption and audit logs. 8. Mobile and responsive apps. Mobile-ready applications for iOS and Android. Adaptive UI for different screen sizes. Offline mode for remote users. How to integrate Webcon BPS with external systems and databases. Integrating Webcon BPS with external systems and databases can be achieved through various methods, depending on the specific use case and system requirements. Below are the primary integration methods. 1. Using Webcon BPS connectors. Webcon BPS provides built-in connectors that simplify integration with external systems such as SQL databases, ERP systems, SAP, Dynamics, CRM solutions, SharePoint, and REST SOAP APIs. Steps to use connectors. Navigate to Webcon BPS Designer Studio. Go to System Settings, Data Sources. Add a new external data source, SQL, web service, or business API. Configure the connection settings, authentication, endpoints, queries. Use the connector in workflows, automation tasks, and reports. 2. Direct database integration, SQL. If integrating with external SQL databases, Use SQL queries or stored procedures to fetch and update data. Steps: configure a SQL data source in Webcon BPS Designer Studio. Use the SQL grid or data rows form fields to display external data. Execute SQL queries in automation tasks or workflows. Use stored procedures for more complex logic. How to manage user permissions and security in Webcon BPS. Managing user permissions and security in Webcon BPS is crucial for ensuring that users have appropriate access levels while maintaining the integrity of business processes. Below are the key aspects of managing user permissions and security. 1. User roles and permissions. Webcon BPS allows administrators to define roles and assign permissions at different levels. Permissions can be set at global level, system-wide permissions; application level, permissions for specific applications; workflow level, permissions for particular workflows; form fields and steps, granular control over individual form elements. 2. User and group management. Users and groups can be managed via Active Directory (AD) or Azure AD integration. Local user management within Webcon BPS. Security groups and user roles can be defined in AD and synchronized with Webcon BPS. 3. Workflow security settings. Workflow permissions can be configured under Designer Studio. Process and workflow security determines who can view, modify, or administer processes. Step permissions defines access levels for specific steps in a workflow, example, who can approve, reject, or edit. Form field permissions controls visibility and editability of individual fields. 4. Authorization mechanisms. Authentication methods. Webcon BPS supports Windows Authentication, OAuth, SAML, and custom authentication providers. Role-based access control, RBAC. Assign users to predefined roles to manage access systematically. Impersonation and delegation. Set up impersonation for specific tasks. Use delegation features for workflow approvals. 5. Security policies and compliance. Audit logs and tracking. Monitor user actions and modifications using built-in audit logs. Data security. Secure sensitive data by restricting access to specific users' groups. Encryption. Utilize database encryption and secure communication protocols, example SSL/TLS. What are the best practices for deploying Webcon BPS solutions? Deploying Webcon BPS solutions effectively requires careful planning, adherence to best practices, and optimization strategies to ensure smooth workflows, scalability, and maintainability. Below are key best practices for a successful deployment. 1. Planning and preparation. Business process analysis. Clearly define business processes and requirements before implementation. Stakeholder engagement. Involve key users, IT teams, and business stakeholders early to align expectations. Infrastructure assessment. Ensure that the server, database, and network meet Webcon BPS system requirements. 2. Environment setup and configuration. Separate environments. Use distinct development, testing, and production environments to avoid disruptions. Proper licensing. Ensure the correct licensing model is chosen for your organization's needs. Database optimization. Configure SQL Server settings for optimal performance, indexing, and backups. 3. Solution design best practices. Reusable components. Design workflows, forms, and business rules for reusability and scalability. Minimal custom code. Leverage Webcon BPS low-code capabilities before resorting to custom development. Version control. Maintain clear versioning for workflows, business rules, and integrations. 4. Security and compliance. Role-based access control. RBAC define clear permissions and roles to protect sensitive data. Auditing and logging. Enable activity logging to track user actions for compliance. Data encryption. Secure sensitive data using encryption and secure connections, SSL TLS. 5. Performance optimization. Workflow efficiency. Avoid unnecessary loops, excessive approvals, or overcomplicated process flows. Database indexing and maintenance. Regularly check and optimize indexes to improve query performance. Asynchronous processing. Use background processing for time-consuming operations to prevent UI slowdowns. 6. Testing and quality assurance. Automated testing. Utilize automated test scripts where possible to validate workflow logic. User acceptance testing. UAT. Conduct UAT with business users before deployment. Performance testing. Simulate high-load scenarios to assess scalability. How to monitor and optimize process performance in Webcon BPS. Monitoring and optimizing process performance in Webcon BPS is essential for ensuring smooth workflow execution, minimizing bottlenecks, and improving efficiency. Here's a structured approach. 1. Monitoring process performance in Webcon BPS. A. Use built-in reports and dashboards. Webcon BPS provides built-in reporting tools and dashboards to track workflow performance. Key reports include task completion time. Measure the average time taken to complete tasks in each step. Pending workflows. Identify tasks stuck in a specific process. Process bottlenecks. Highlight steps where delays occur frequently. B. Utilize the process log and audit trails. Process logs track every action performed in workflows. Audit trails provide visibility into changes made by users, ensuring compliance and security. C. Enable system and performance logging. Enable system logs to capture performance metrics such as processing time for actions, database query execution time, form load performance. D. Set up notifications and alerts. Configure email SMS notifications for SLA breaches, long-running workflows, delayed approvals. Use business intelligence by integration. Integrate Webcon BPS with tools like Power BI, ClickView, or Tableau to create custom performance dashboards. To optimizing process performance in Webcon BPS. A. Improve workflow design. Minimize steps and actions. Reduce unnecessary steps that do not add value. Optimize task assignments. Use role-based assignments rather than individual users. Parallel processing. Avoid sequential dependencies by executing actions in parallel where possible. B. Optimize database queries. Webcon BPS relies heavily on SQL Server. Optimize by indexing frequently used columns, avoiding heavy queries that slow down form loading, using stored procedures instead of complex inline queries. Why choose ProExcellency for Webcon BPS online training? ProExcellency offers comprehensive online training for Webcon BPS, designed to equip professionals with the necessary skills to excel in business process automation. Here are several reasons to choose ProExcellency for your Webcon BPS online training. 1. Experienced and professional trainers. ProExcellency is staffed with subject matter experts and professionals who provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights into Webcon BPS, ensuring a thorough understanding of the platform. ProExcellency. 2. Flexible learning options. Understanding the diverse needs of learners, ProExcellency offers flexible online training schedules, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. ProExcellency. 3. Positive client testimonials. Clients have praised ProExcellency for their dedication, quality of work, and continuous development. One client noted, "Their dedication towards the work has been great. The quality of work and their concern for continuous development has paved the way for having them as our technology partner." ProExcellency. 4. Proven track record. ProExcellency has received excellent reviews across various platforms. On Proven Expert, they have a 5.00 out of 5 rating based on 3 reviews, with clients highlighting their professionalism and quality of training. Proven Expert. Similarly, on AmbitionBox, they are rated 5.0 out of 5 based on 5 reviews, indicating high employee satisfaction and a positive work environment. AmbitionBox. 5. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers all aspects of Webcon BPS, from basic to advanced levels, ensuring that you gain a holistic understanding of the platform. 6. Post-training support. ProExcellency offers continuous support even after the training is completed, assisting with any queries or challenges you may encounter while applying your new skills. By choosing ProExcellency for your Webcon BPS online training, you are investing in a quality education that is flexible, comprehensive, and backed by positive client experiences. Thank you.